Today we're at the welding shop at Venus High School. We're going to be interviewing a few Venus High School welders to see if y'all would like to be in the welding career path. Today we have Cameron Douglas. What do you like most about welding?
I like having the ability to make whatever I want to.
What are the scholarships opportunities that you can get from welding?
There are plenty, but the main ones is if you do good at competitions, you can get up to $1,500 for trade school. There are also many chances to win scholarships at those competitions, like Hill College and other trade schools give them away. Also, at some schools, you can get better financial aid if you've already been in welding in high school.
So I hear you're working on a little project. What is that project that you've been working on, Jackie?
Me and my partner have been working on a Type Fighter fire pit for a contest, and it's been coming along pretty well. And it's really easy. It's really simple. It's not things, and welding are not that hard to make, honestly.
We're back at the Venus Welding Shop. Right now we are here with Robert Arlett.
You're good.
What do you like most about welding, sir?
I get to build things out of metal.